Alright, we're back in business. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Welcome back. Let me just make sure the music's not too loud. Alright, cool. We're on. Good afternoon, hey, hello. What's going on, guys? What's going on? I just got back from a day out, so we're jumping on fresh with the charts. Fresh on the charts with you guys this morning. We'll break down gold, see what we got going on for the day. I'm just getting Zoom set up. What time is it? We've got one more minute. Let me just turn my Wi-Fi off my phone. Cool. All right, let's do it. Let me share my screen. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna invite everyone on Zoom as well, and then we'll get started. We shall get started. All right, cool. Wait for the Zoom guys to join. Hey, bro, what's going on, man? What's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the stream. Let's see what we got going on for today. Fundamental wise, I don't really think there's anything that much today. You had unemployment claims yesterday. You're about to have some pound retail sale news come out. Lower than expected, just came out right now. We have flash PMI later on as well. Interesting. Flash PMI for the pound and flash PMI for the US dollar as well. So yeah, pretty interesting session upcoming. We'll run over the technicals. We'll run down over how gold moves yesterday. Unemployment claims. I took about 20 pips yesterday on gold, which was pretty nice. Had some very clean moves yesterday on gold. So I'll share that with you guys as well. I'm just sharing the Top Step link if anyone wants to check out Top Step. Become a funded futures trader. There's the link for you guys. Feel free to check it out. Right, let me just get Ninja Trader set up as well, and then we'll start breaking down gold. We'll get ready to make that bread. Make that bank today. Alright, cool. You got the account up. Beautiful. Stream. Haven't traded from the last 2 days. See today? Good man. Yep, nothing wrong with taking a little break, man. He had FOMC and then unemployment claims, so not the worst time to take a break from trading. Alright, let me let the Zoom guys in and we'll get started here. Where are we? Share my screen. Alright, let's do it. Let's start sharing the screen. Zoom guys are all in. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to another London session. What's up, man? What up? I'll share my screen for you guys on YouTube as well. Remember, drop a little like, all that good shit. And let's kind of start. Hey, how's it going, man? Afternoon, man. Afternoon. Oh, wait a minute. Share my screen not working. Let me just bring this up a little bit. Cool. Alright, we're on. Let's do it. Yeah, start breaking down the charts. I only just got back, so I'm just going to break down the charts from scratch with you guys, see what we got going on for today. And see how the unemployment claims came out as well. So gold had some very nice moves yesterday. Some very nice moves. 70 ticks after grabbing them highs, came back up, re-grabbed these highs, dropped another 100 plus. I took a very small little bounce from here, and ended up my runner got stopped at break even before this thing ran like another 100. But let's clean this all up. Let's see what we got going on. Check the daily close. Let's see what we're in for. You go to Australia Zoo. Yeah, I went to the zoo today, man. Went to the zoo with the boss. It was nice. It was good, man. I've been before. I came when I was here last time, but she hadn't been before. But yeah, it was pretty fun, man. It's pretty fun. So yeah, I haven't even checked Asia or anything today. So Goldie, let's do it on the currency chart. Let's do it on the currency chart here. Daily on. Oh, look at this. Very interesting. Cool. So, gold has closed bearish yesterday, respecting this support and kind of pushing up today with an instant top wick. So if you can sell gold into creating a bottom wick today, once it creates that bottom wick, 40 ticks, come back down, regrab the lows, potentially 100. The daily resistance level I'm just going to bring down a little bit is going to be, let me just see, left, probably around here. Where we're at right now is a very nice level on gold. So Asia has opened, had a very small little wick down, but instantly pushed up. I think, even if gold's going to have a push up, you're at least going to come down and regrab yesterday's lows. You got PMI today as well. But this is a pretty nice level to start looking for some shorts. It's actually pretty nice. It's very nice. Hopefully we get some cleaner breakouts than we did yesterday. So where could you push up and do? Push down, grab the highs, push lower. May spike up this little high one more time on gold, and then we could be looking for a nice little play of this range. That whenever you tap into these levels, it's a 100 tick range. So this is looking pretty good. You could have a 100 ticks into the lows, into the previous day lows, 120. So yeah, pretty solid level on gold today, with no bottom wick on this daily, which is interesting. Very, very interesting. I think you could see a spike up a little bit more. Maybe spike up, re-grab these highs, unless you start closing below here, then you just want to start shorting. But if you don't start breaking through this, I think gold could spike up into these highs. And yeah, you could see a little rollover today. Asia's pushed up. Where's Asia? So Asia here has pushed up. What? Almost 60 ticks in Asia today. So we could see London retrace this move pretty well. Let's have a look here on the 30 on the futures chart. Let me get rid of these, adjust these levels here. So on the futures chart, your resistance is going to kind of be, yeah, put it around there. I think you probably grab these little highs first on gold. Let me get rid of all these now. These have all been grabbed. Let's get rid of this.
I wanted to buy into those highs, but this candle opened with just no bottom wick, so
This
didn't
one.
buy it.
Yeah, off this little bounce here.
Yeah, I wanted to buy into those highs. If you look at the current pie, it just opened with a no bottom wick, so no.
Yeah.
Would have been a nice play of 10 ticks.
Yeah. Even the currency, yeah, interesting. Well, as soon as we start grabbing these highs, we could be in for a nice little play here.
Also, we are following on a big trend line. If you look at 15.
So look. 20 watching, only 10 likes. Help out our good brother. Yeah, good man. Yeah, nice. I like that, Matt. I like that. So as soon as we start grabbing these highs on gold, we could be looking for a retracement. A retracement and a possible sell-off back down into the lows, which would actually be a very nice trade here. So see if we can just wick out these highs. Look for some closures respecting this level. Big level here on gold. And we can look for some sells. As soon as we grab these highs. How's that hourly just closed as well? Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so hourly still closed respecting this resistance, and you got a pretty strong initial wick up into these highs first. Which is what you want to see. So you're pushing up within the first 8 minutes of this hourly, which means this could be the false move of this current hourly to see this roll over on gold. So it's looking quite nice here. What would stop speed if you started to short once you grab these highs? 10 ticks. Nice. So that's a 30 level. Let's go to the 15 here. So the bottom 15 support as first TP is going to be there. Closure below here is going to be nice. As soon as we wick out this high, as long as you close back below this level, you could be looking to sell gold into like around like 1942. Looks like a pretty nice level. Let me make sure we haven't grabbed on the currency. Yeah, so we're coming very, very close to it. You got this nice little trend line here as well. You already had this one kind of already faked out there. But you're gonna have another trend line here, like this. Anyone who is shorting gold right now off this rejection is going to be trying to do something like this. So if we can wick out this resistance, 5-minute throw some doji candles, you could be looking for a nice sell-off today on gold. We got some pretty nice ranges. I'll mark up this high up here. I would be surprised to see gold come up to this high, because this is the high that kind of liquidate these highs. So you wouldn't really want to see that grabbed, but anything can happen. Fib retracement levels close to. Yeah, do you have it on the 30, like from here? Yeah, from there it probably lines up quite well. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you got that. If you're looking at that level, yeah, 71, 78. Both look pretty nice to me. So 5 minutes just started to reject here. Hasn't really spiked out the highs just yet. As soon as we spike out these highs on gold, retracement into that daily flip is potentially going to be a very nice setup here. Actually, could be a trade of the week. Did it from the very top of the drop. Yeah, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Oh, from the yeah, big from this one. Like this. Yeah, so if you look at from this big downtrend, overall gold still could easily retrace back up into here. That's kind of overall though. Yeah, could easily see pullbacks back down into, at least back down into this level today. Whether we then break back below this and just continue pushing down will probably be more dependent on PMI later on, but this range is still like 46, which is great. Yeah, then drop, then come back up. Yeah, I think that's nice, man. I think that's nice. You talk about why price liquidating that high isn't good. Because I think if you come back to this high, then I think you may just keep pushing higher, because that is a high that was already a liquidity grab. So this is a liquidity grab high. So whenever you break a liquidity grab high, then you could just continue to push up. You could continue to push up. Same as here. This is a liquidity grab. But as soon as you come back into this liquidity grab, because it's a liquidity grab that's grabbed the level, then you're just going to keep pushing up. But if it's a true liquidity grab, you want to see it respected to push down. So if it comes anywhere near it, you'll probably just keep pushing up in it. It won't really be a liquidity wick. Exactly the same with this here. Because this is a high that wicked out all of this resistance. If this high gets broken or you come in up to this, you'll probably just keep pushing higher, as opposed to grabbing it and pushing down. You only want to be looking at liquidity levels as levels that hasn't already been grabbed as potential regions. So this low is a nice level to be grabbed today. I kind of got it as a trend line here, but even to come and grab this little low here is going to be a nice level here on Goldie. Yeah, as soon as this 5 minute gets wicked, we're finding a resistance every time. So there is sellers around this region. I just think we need to wick it out a little bit, and then yeah. I mean, if you do liquidate this high again, I mean, it's not ideal, but what I would have to wait for then is to close back below here to then Boom. I wouldn't want to be just shorting up in here with no confirmation, because like I said, if you break this, then who knows, you could easily come all the way back up into this resistance as well. And if you get closures above, then you probably just want to closures above this side, then you probably just want to be looking for longs. So anywhere here, you probably would just want to see it keep pushing higher. Let me get rid of these. I think we're coming into the last 15 close here as well. In 50 seconds, we're going to get this 15 close. If the 15 closes above here, then you know you may just keep pushing higher. How's the 15 looking? Did it grab the lows? Yeah, 15 just wicked out the lows. Keep pushing higher. There's a nice little bounce off that little level there on gold. Broke above, little quick retest. Nice little bounce there. From, what's that? From there to there. 10 ticks. Alright, we've got 13 seconds till this 15 is going to close. So the 5 has just now wicked out that resistance. You're going to close above the previous, or you're going to start to throw some reversal signs. So you're not closing above it, which is good. That's what we want to see. Yeah, nice. You just because that 15 is closed bullish, you now need to get closure below. But that 5 minute has just wicked out this resistance and failed to actually close above, which is good. Oh, what's in the washing machine? Colors or lights? Can you hear my washing machine? If you hear my washing machine, that's fucking crazy. So just grab the previous 5 minute high here. The 15 is closed above resistance, so in order for shorts, you'd have to see this 15 close bearish now. Or see how that 30 is going to close. If the 30 close respecting here, it's going to be a nice level just to mark execute some sells. Nice. Unless this 5 minute just completely closes bearish. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just going to grab some water. So if we get a strong 5 minute close here, you may not have to wait for the 15 close because it could just be a 15-minute fake out. But look at that 5. Wait, could you go long if it re-breaks the 15-minute high? You probably could actually. Where would you be playing it up to? Back up into this resistance. Yeah, if actually, I don't want to be looking at shorts. If you re-break this 15-minute high, as long as gold respects the support, you know, you may actually just continue pushing up here, back up into like these levels. Stop loss is going to be pretty nice as well. Like, what's that? Stops below previous going to be like, what, 13 ticks if you re-break this 15-minute high? Because that 5 minutes looking pretty aggressive here. If you re-break this high, which looks like a liquidity high, then you may see a drive. So let me just mark. Because this is... So you've grabbed this little double top here. Had this double top, you grabbed it. So if this was going to be a true liquidity grab, you'd want to see this high respected. However, if that high doesn't get respected and it breaks it, then you could see a nice drive. So being open to buys, once the high gets rebroken, you may see a nice little quick push on gold. You've just come down, you've wicked out the previous 5-minute low. Let's see how this 5 minutes going to close. How's the 30 looking? 30's come down, grab the lows, close above this resistance. Longs would be... let me just see, let me see. Longs would be probably back up into there. 20 seconds, yeah, let's go 5 seconds close. But yeah, that could be actually, could be a nice setup. I don't just want to be just looking for sells. If you re-break that previous 15-minute high, you may keep pushing. And stop loss will probably be based off if you close just anywhere back below here. Any closures back below this level on gold, you probably want to be looking to cut it. So it's not flipped just yet, but it also hasn't closed bearish. If it keeps pushing down, you could even consider it breaking this current 15 high. Which would be... Yeah. So break above the previous 15-minute high. Entry's going to be around 1945. 1945. Or 44.9 actually. You may have a buy stop in on this current 5-minute high, and if it doesn't flip bullish and keeps pushing down, then that's fine, you just cancel it. But if it re-breaks that high, after this big 5-minute rejection, you could actually see a nice little push here. I might have to put this buy stop in a second. Buy stop would be around... Thank you.
44.9.
Yeah, or even above the current 5 high.
Yeah, that's 44.9.
Yeah, 44.9, yeah. Let's see, if we get any signs of rejection here on this... What time is it? 4:20. 4:20. Yeah, if this 5-minute comes up to create a new high, you could have a buy stop here. If it keeps on dropping, it keeps on dropping, and we'll wait for the 15-minute fake out. But the fact that this 5-minute hasn't closed bearish and closed with a big wick, if the 5-minute closes below this level, we'll be looking for shorts. If it re-breaks its own high, we'll be looking for longs. I think that's a nice little setup. Rejection on 45.9 high. 45.9. This one, yeah, that would have to be my break-even point, man. Yeah. As soon as we grab that, oh, I'm gonna have a buy stop here on gold at 44.8. I'm gonna have a buy stop in on gold. 1944.8. Let me get rid of this. Don't know what it is on there. So like here, you'd be looking for this. So yeah, I got my buy stop is in at 1944.8. Just a extra tick above this current high, just in case it creates a quick little top wick and pushes. But it's just starting to throw some nice rejections. So the reason I put a buy stop just in case it does actually flip aggressively. But if it closes like this, we'll cancel the buy stop straight away. Because I don't want that just to flip and I miss it. So I'm putting it in just in case it does. Because it was giving some quick signs there. But I want to see this low respected. If this low gets broken, then I think we could have this 15 fake out and drive it lower. So as soon as you break this 5-minute low, in a second we'll be looking to cancel. So it's already actually got a little top wick on the currency, which is quite nice. Yeah, cancel. Cancel. We're driving too low, so this could be, we could play a little 15-minute fake out here. Look at that 30 now, grabbing the highs, respect and resistance. at any little top wick, we have a potential evening star formation to drive this lower now. I want to see this 5 minute close nice and bearish to confirm this. I mean, unless this flips in the next 1 minute, but I have deleted my buy stop. Yeah, I would love to see this 15 close below nice and bearish. We get a nice little top wick. We'll also be creating a left shoulder head, come back up for that right shoulder, and that will be a lovely place to sell gold. Into that daily bottom wick. Stops are going to be like 9 ticks. First TP is like 20, and I'd like to hold it if we can get some volume. Oh, you're going to reject here again? What are you doing? You're playing with this gold. I swear, if you flip at the last second, you motherfucker. It's come quite close to that low though. Be surprised if you don't grab it. Let's see. We've got 25 seconds here. Let's just see this 5 minutes going to close. But I have deleted my buy stop. My next buy order will be if we break the liquidity high as normal. 16 seconds.
Look, sir, it's the flag and pole pattern.
Yeah, man. I know. It's. Oh wait, wait. Yeah, so it's a pretty steep wick. I might have to ignore the 5 minute and go off the 15 in a second. If I go off the 15, the buy will be around 45.1. 5 minutes looking a bit choppy, but the 15, you know, could be one of them where it may close nice and the 5 minutes just looking a bit shit, which is fine. You haven't really grabbed any little 5 minute lows. Gold doesn't know what to do. No, not yet, man. Not yet. It's looking. I mean, the thing is, it's kind of going to be decided based off this 30. Like if this 30 closes above here, you'll probably see a nice drive into like 1946. It's kind of going to be based off that, I think. The only thing with taking the break of this current 15 high is the fact that this is the last 15 of the 30, and you're going to have to get a bottom 30 wick. See now, so the original buy would have been tagged in. I haven't broken the 15 high just yet. So that's the reason I cancelled that original order. We would have just been tagged in there, but we're just grabbing the previous 5. Yeah, that trend line you got added is kind of why I want to see a dip lower. I don't like that trend line coming up. So I had it like...
Yeah, that's what I'm skeptical about, the trend line.
Yeah.
Huge trend line, like we can get stopped out anytime.
It's true.
But gold has been respecting levels very, very well. So
yeah, well look at that.
Look at this now.
15 or so broken above, respecting.
Yeah.
I mean, if we get a strong 30 close here, yeah, I just go long. I like the 30-minute evening star formation. Yeah, me too, man. So if this 30 can close back below this level, I would love to see that. If the 30 just closes strong here, we re-break this previous 15, I think we're going to have to be pretty quick for some buys. You're about to break the previous 15-minute high here, which is this high. But yeah, that trend line is a little bit sketchy. But the more this pushes up... Sorry, man, go on.
I was just sort of say, if it carries on like this, then I don't think the trend line is in contention.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I agree. If you keep pushing up here, you may keep pushing up into like US, where the US could just completely flip this all the way back down. So 15 is breaking the previous 15-minute high. Here. So if we get this would be my entry anyway. So if we get a quick little bottom wick here at the exact same place, I'm going to be looking for a long. And I'm just going to look to continue this 30 up. So any little instant bottom wick on this 30, you could see a nice little quick drive here on gold. See how he got 1 minute, 5 minutes struggling. Our original buy order is only like 2 ticks in profit anyway. But yeah, like I said, the only reason I didn't take the break of this 15-minute high is because even if this 30 does close bullish, the 30 is still going to create a bottom wick, which is very likely that it would just come back down to entry anyway, so you may as well just wait for the 30 close. And the 5 minute struggling, to be honest. I'm just watching it here on the futures chart, the 5 minute struggling, but it's re-breaking the high that if it was a liquidity high, you wouldn't want to see broken. I'm not in this part, I'm just drawing it up because that's what I would have taken, just to see how it would have gone. I say would have taken, I wouldn't have taken it, but I mean, it's what I was looking at. You know, if all of a sudden this 30 closes back below here, then this is going to be a big position. Or if it closes above, yeah, it buys up into 46.5 to 47 is probably going to be a quick play if we can get some good volume here. So
I have the exact same levels as you.
good man, good man. Just in case anyone wants to join the stream, we're not in this just yet. Let's see if this 5 minutes goes. So 15 isn't looking like it's actually going to break above the previous high. So let me just delete that. So yeah, you haven't. So, alright. 30 just closed bullish above the level. 15 didn't close above the previous high. 5 minutes failing to close above the previous high. If you get an instant top wick into the previous 30-minute high, I think you're going to see some pushes lower on gold. There you go. It ticks above that high. So because you're instantly grabbing the previous high, I think you may see gold push lower. 5 minute isn't closing above any resistance levels. Neither is the 15, to be honest. There you go. You're just grabbing the previous 30-minute high, pushing down. How did the previous hourly close? Yeah, so I mean, this hourly could easily still close below this level.
Now.
Yeah, if we get a strong 5 minute, this could even be a 30-minute fake out as well. So
If spy closes strong, we could just take the sells.
yeah, I think so, man. So breaking above that previous 50-minute high, you'd now be in almost minus 10 ticks.
But what we can't do there is 11 ticks.
Yeah, which
Just
is
what volume is in London.
yeah,
I've forgotten.
which is nice. 10 ticks in 5 minutes is what we want to see.
Yeah,
This is what we want to see.
and it's two 1 minutes.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, if we get look at this. Yeah, so anyone who's got long there has just been a bit fucked on gold. Because you grabbed the highs first. This is now why I wouldn't be looking for a break of this level to keep pushing higher. You grab the 30-minute highs. So if we get a strong 5 minute close here, we'll be looking to bounce somewhere in this trend line. And the hourly may still close above resistance to keep pushing down. So you're looking at hourly now. But now now you've come very close to this high here, which is almost a double top right now. See here, you've come very close to that high, so it's almost a given that that's now going to get grabbed. You wouldn't come that high to it and not grab it like that. You would not come that close to that high and not grab that on gold. Whether you push down, grab some lows first, and then keep pushing up is also possible, but that is something. It's just something to be wary of. Something to be wary of. But look at this 5 minute, not closing that in just yet. I mean, if the 30 comes to break so high, then sure. don't feel like long is a good idea. I don't think anything's really nothing's clear just yet. Not yet.
It will decide what to do after we close the streets.
Sounds about right. Oh yeah, that's a nice level there, Scott. Respect us down the 5 minute. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Yeah, it's kind of in like this little channel.
Cells incoming.
Yeah. So you're kind of in like this. Yeah, I like that, man. Just respecting this upper resistance level as well. Let's see if we're gonna get a nice 5 minute close. Like if you start bouncing more around this trend line, then amazing. If we get a quick top wick here on this next 5 minute, you know, you may look for sales, but stops just above the current 5 high, which may be a nice little play. Because then you'd be shorting as soon as you start grabbing probably the second touch of the trend line. You probably want to be break even, which is 11. Yeah, this is pushing off. So any more bounces from here, I think is a retail trap. Don't fucking just push the whole move though. What, you got 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 13 ticks. Alright, any instant top wick here and we will look for some sells. Stop will be above current 5 minute high.
Ah, okay. Come on.
No bottom wick on the currency chart there on gold.
Yeah.
Let me get rid of this trend line for a second. See what's going on here. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have I got a sell stop on gold at 1944. Stops above previous 5 minute high. Because you've now got that little quick bottom wick, so if you come down and re-break it, you should see a nice drive. I want to see this 15 start to close below this level. If this 5 minute can flip bearish, you'll be very careful. There's little support here.
I'm in. You got it?
I'm in 3 contracts. Well, it's not filled me in for 4. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Let me put my stop in. Stop must probably be based off if this 5 minute doesn't actually flip.
Yeah, my stop is like 45.5.
So let me see here. Sure. Here, what stops? Stops is only, well, I mean, hard stops is 15, but stops will be if this 5 minute closes anywhere back above here. You don't want to be in the trade, but I want to see this have a pretty nice drive, like back down into these levels. There was no bottom wick on this current 5 on the currency chart though, which is a bit weird. But there wasn't the futures chart, so stop losses, yeah. So stop loss is going to be anywhere. I mean, hard stop is up there, but stop loss is going to be anywhere like around here. This 5 minute closes straight back above. We'll close it straight away. I also want to see this 5 actually close bearish. Looks like respecting the channel. Yeah, it is. It's not really doing. It just needs some volume, to be honest. As soon as we get a nice spike in volume, it'll probably be off the next 15 close, I reckon. You may have to hold this to the next 15 close. What are you looking for a squeeze to the downside? Yeah, that closure pretty much, man. So now that closures grabbed the highest close bearish. Now I want to be shorting into this trend line. Because anyone who's buying gold right now is going to be buying off this trend line. You can't really see it, but anyone's going to be buying off the trend line. Stops are going to be down here. So I want to look for some, trend line liquidity plays. But in order for me to want to hold this trade, this 15 minutes would have to close below this level. Otherwise, if we close respecting it, you may just keep pushing higher. So I need to see a nice closure in what, the next 6 minutes. Otherwise, like I say, if the 5-minute closes back above the level, I'll look to get out straight away. I ain't gonna hold this trade for too long. It's already kind of messing around. Measure TP. So, and you want to. Well, the thing is, you want to. First target's going to be down here, but the main target on gold is going to be into the daily flip if you can get that pre-PMI. So if you look at gold on the daily, respecting close bearish, coming back up to retest this resistance, and you could see this push down pretty well. Whether it pushes in this current 5-minute, we'll see. It's not looking likely, but as long as you don't close above this level, I'm happy to accept 15 tick risk. I'm not gonna bring stops any higher than above this current high. If it re-breaks that, then you could keep pushing up, so I don't want to be in it. So, but if the 5-minute in 20 seconds closes respecting this level, I'm gonna hold the trade. If it closes above, I'm out, and I'll wait for. I'll probably wait for the 30 close. So let's see, in 10 seconds, any closures above this level, even one tick, I'll just close straight away. There you go. So you just closed above. Let me bring my stops down. Let me bring my stop. In case you aggressively flip bearish, I'm bringing my stop down. So there's no top wick on that 5-minute either. So unless this is a fake out, pushing back down. My stop is at 1944.6. I would normally just cut it there, but because there's no top wick and it's instantly driving down, I'll just bring my stop there. In case it just then reflips back bearish. But if it comes up and breaks its own high, I'm out. Because it's breaking above, retesting, may push higher. Oh, what are you gonna do, Goldie? Oh, it's just taking me out for half. You're gonna flip down. A victim of great seconds, especially the Wimbledon one. Yeah, well, to be fair, touch wood, I haven't seen them in a while, but yeah, every so often they'll come up non-stop, man, non-stop. That dude's everywhere. Fucking, you must have the best fucking marketing team in the world. That guy's everywhere. 2 more minutes here on gold. It's likely gonna hit and break its own high, but it's the only way I will if it does break high, I'll reshort is I'll probably wait for this 15 to close bearish. But the 15 just kind of messes around here. It's more so there's no real volume. You probably want to wait for a breakout of probably. Let me just get rid of this upper level because we've got too many levels now. You probably want to wait for a breakout of anywhere in here. You probably have to wait for a breakout now. I think gold will go down. Yeah, me too. Me too. We just need to see that volume. Like I say, the more you bounce in this trend line, the more I think you'll probably see it spike down. But this is gonna have a nice little push now. If it comes right back down, I may close at break even and just wait. I'll bring my stop down a little bit. There you go, one more. So I'm basically almost back to entry.
I'm out.
Oh, is it gonna push? What are you gonna do, Goldie? What are you gonna do? Doesn't know what it wants to do. I'm still in.
Took me out. Minus 5 pips.
We've got 1 more minute to this fight's gonna close.
You still in?
Yeah, I'm still in, man. London open in 18 minutes volume. Yeah, hopefully, man. Hopefully. Yeah, so that's what I'll probably wait for. So how's the hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's looking juicy here. Hourly's looking really nice. But 30 could change at any point. 47 seconds. So this is going to be minus 6 pips. Go on, gold. Either just stop me out or push down. You can see on the 15, 15 you haven't grabbed any previous 15-minute lows for the past 1, 2, 3 candles as well. Which is the reason I wanna hold this. Three, 2, 1. 5 minutes flip back bearish. Look at that. 15. So 15 has just closed bearish. Not the best close. What am I back down to? Almost back down to entry. Yeah, there you go. Cool. I'm closing there. I'm closing my like minus 1 pip. For the simple fact that the 5 minutes not breaking. There's no reason for me to hold this trade. So just literally just wicked into entry. So yeah, I'm like minus what? Just over minus $100 right there. I would hold it longer, but the fact the 15, you know, did close bearish, but the 5 minute just has no signs of volume. There's no reason to hold this trade. It's bouncing off support, so if anything, you want to be looking at longs. So as soon as I get the confirmation and the opportunity to cut the trade, amazing, I'll do it. So minus 1 pip there, maybe an account minus 1 pip. Basically break even. As soon as the 5 minute closes below this level, I'll look for re-entries. In the same entry, but I think I gotta take the highs again, then drop. I'll be very surprised to see the 15-minute highs get grabbed. I'm pretty much gonna wait to see any 5-minute closures back below here. You know, you may grab these little 5-minute highs, little double top there now, but yeah, you wouldn't want to see. You'd want to see that high respected. Let me just update this. But yeah, it's good entry, good management. No reason to hold that trade, like I say. It's bouncing off support. If anything, you want to be going long right now. So as long as price is bouncing off support, if I get price coming back down to my entry to cut it at break even, and I don't cut it at break even, it pushes higher, I'm going to kick myself. So I'm happy to cut it there and wait. I'm also want to see signs of volume. But that was a good management again. Is it pissing them? See, there you go, pushing higher now, bouncing off that support. If I didn't cut my trade there, and it bounces off that support and just completely rips, I'll be like, why the fuck didn't I close that trade? There was no reason to hold shorts at that point. Nas longs, we'll take a look, man. I'll have a look. See, there you go. Now you're pushing higher, bouncing off that support. Very nice. Very, very nice. Minus 1 tick. But yeah, the 15 is creating quite a lot of liquidity. You're just re-grabbing that. Let me just get rid of this. Let me rid of this high. So if you come down and re-break the 5-minute lows again, I'm going to be looking for the exact same setup. I'm just going to let the trade let the trade come to you. You're not here to predict, you're here to react. React off the fact that price is at a level of support. If you got a short at this support, looking for this 5-minute to continue, it doesn't drive, it comes back to your entry, and you keep holding shorts, then you're trying to predict. If you re-break its own 5-minute low again after grabbing these little highs, I'm going to be looking for another re-entry. And I'll be looking for this 15 to continue to have this drive lower. So sells on the break of this current 5 is also going to be a potentially nice play in a second. What was I going to do? I'll put this in the journal after. But yeah, at any point, like I say, I hope it doesn't take until PMI, but at any point you could see this whole daily candle on gold completely flip bearish and re-grab these previous daily lows, which is going to be a pretty aggressive trade, because look, you're at massive daily resistance, so at least to come and create more of a bottom wick is already 60 ticks. To re-grab the lows, 100. So there's a lot of opportunity. Ooh, so you're starting to reject. Where would sells be again? Sells would probably be the 15 low at what, 19, almost the same entry, 44? Yeah, almost same entry.
Same entry.
Same entry, now you can get in for a nicer stop above the current high. So if you now, weird, I got a bit too many levels on here. There you go, 5 minutes. 5 minutes not driving just yet. Let's wait.
Gotta wait for the hourly close.
Do. 15. 15's looking quite nice here on Goldie. Yeah, so 15 is about to re-break its own low in a second.
No bottom wick though, or top wick though.
Yeah, 5 minute doesn't really need one, because it's closed loads of times.
Too much of liquidity to not short.
Yeah, it's looking nice, man. It is looking nice. I think the push is gonna come in pretty well. Like I said, the more you bounce off this level, the more people are going to be trying to jump in longs here on gold.
I gotta revenge trade my 5 pips loss.
Easy. Oh, yesterday had amazing moves actually. If anyone traded yesterday had very, very clean moves. Oh yeah, sure.
Nas?
Let's have a look at Nas. Nas sells. Oh, look at that close. That was off Wednesday. Where was New York open yesterday? Yeah, chop.
No entries for me on Nas yesterday.
Nah. Gold looked way cleaner than Nas. So about
Too choppy at the start of the session.
Where's the Russell 230? Yeah, again, Russell way cleaner. Way cleaner than Nas. I personally don't think Nas is worth watching. I think there's way cleaner instruments than Nas, personally. Have a look at the Dow. Yeah, Dow horribly choppy as well. I assume the S&P was probably similar. S&P, where's S&P 230? Yeah, S&P was nicer actually. S&P was cleaner. Broke below, retested, drive lower. Out of the equities, yeah, I think Russell was probably the nicest yesterday. 2 o'clock, grab the highs. Close bearish, retest, boom, yeah. plenty of entries on Russell yesterday. What would that have been? Huge, yeah, huge trade.
Five. 8 o'clock yet, eh?
Yeah, no, yeah, but I think it's sort of wait for me. I think we have that London Open.
Plenty of time.
Yeah, plenty. Plenty.
Patience.
Let's stand up and get fired up here.
Go.
Yeah, 5 minutes still respecting. Pushing.
5. They gave 3 opportunities there on that 5 minutes.
It's crazy, isn't it? I was literally just thinking the same thing.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 opportunities on a 3 minute.
Yeah. On the 3 minute. Oh, nice. Yeah. That's the
1 minute
thing.
looks horrible.
Yeah, but the 1 minute is fucking a shit show. Oh my god, yeah, it's disgusting. I mean, it's still nice little support down there, though. Yeah, still nice little support and resistance. It's a shame you can't hedge on futures.
Excuse me.
It is a shame.
Yeah.
The thing is, the 30 still closed above the level, we're still respecting. You know, the 15 just too choppy. Entry yet? Yeah, Terry, I had a short trade. I just closed it like what -1 tick, basically break even. I got short. Where is the short now? So I got short here on this. Once this 5 minute closed bearish, I wanted to get this continuation of this 5 minute. But once it closed doji, yeah, I cut the trade there. Basically break even, man. That's my only one so far. I'm pretty much now just waiting for the London Open. Streve deserves so much better viewers. Great quality content. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate it. It does. The most value out there. I find me any other YouTuber who is streaming trading gold and taking less than 10 tick / pip stop losses. You won't find them. Yeah, the stream will grow though. The tube will grow. Bit pushers in that you can start contact. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
who even uses a stop loss?
Sorry, man.
I mean, who even uses a stop loss?
Yeah, stop losses for rookies. No stop loss, no loss, man. Very well managed. Even I got stop loss 2 ticks. Yeah, amazing. Good job. That's the thing, yeah. The shorts are amazing. 5 minute grab the highs, flip bearish. But as soon as it doesn't continue to push down and it comes back down to your entry and 5 minutes still respecting support, that's where you cut your trade. When it comes back down, you don't start thinking, oh no, this is going to continue pushing down. No, price is respecting support. Until you get the closure back below, amazing, then you can re-enter. But if you go short here and price is bouncing off support and doesn't continue to break, you have to manage a trade from a neutral perspective. If I just held shorts right now, I'll be getting kind of thrown around in drawdown profit, price is ranging. So get out as soon as you can. If we get closures back below this level, amazing, I'll just go short again. But until then, I'm not going to predict that price is going to react. If price breaks it, we re-enter. But if I was just to hold shorts now and keep bringing up my stop loss to minus 20, 30, 40 ticks, I'm, again, predicting too much. If you guys are looking to scalp trade, don't let your scalp trades turn into swing traders when they don't go your way.
No, thank you.
If you plan the trade to be a scalp, treat it like a scalp. If you planned it to be a swing, treat it like a swing. See, look at that. Now you're pushing higher. So where was our... So original short was here. I wish that was the actual position. Original short was here. Original hard stop was up here. Looking for this to continue bearish, and we cut the trade right here. Solid advice right there. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, it's the key, man. It's the key. And it's so easy, you know, like when this 5 minute was looking bearish, it's so easy to start thinking to yourself, oh no, maybe this is going to actually flip down and just keep pushing. I don't want to cut it at break even. No, cut it at break even. If it then closes below, amazing. That's the confirmation, and then just get the re-entry. But don't predict that it's going to keep pushing down. It's so easy that when you're in a losing trade and it comes back down to your entry, and it hasn't closed in your favor, you just keep holding it, and then before you know it, it flips back and stops you out. And you look back and you go, fuck, why didn't I close that? It's all based off prediction. Trying to predict too much as opposed to reacting. Yeah, sorry, Angel, you said Nas long. Sorry, man, I got distracted. Let me see. We got a little bit while on God, so it's okay. So what's this? Daily, close bearish, little support here. So if I was going to go long, I'd probably want to see it pull back a little bit first. Only because you're kind of at hourly resistance. I personally would rather see a little dip back down, kind of retest these highs, maybe even down to here before, yeah. From them regions there, you could be looking to long back up into there. I think that could be nice, man. Let's have a look at the pound. So 15 just flipped back bullish in there on gold. You can see it's pretty rangy. Potential evening star here though. Here and excited to watch and learn for this session. Yeah, good man, Liam. Good to have you on the stream. I'd scroll back like maybe half an hour. There's probably a lot of value in the trade that we just took, man. A lot of value in the trade we just took. You'll learn more from my losses and my break-evens than my wins.
Aaron, dude.
Yes,
sorry,
man.
bro. Look at Nice Quick. It's literally, I think it was listening to you.
Is it dropped down?
Dude.
Oh, there you go.
Ridiculous. Like, as you gave the call out.
Well,
Crazy.
there you go, man. Look at that. Yeah. So, respecting that resistance.
Tell this to gold.
Yeah, I know, man. Look at that.
Tell her to drop.
I wonder if someone could probably check if the S&P. I would assume the S&P probably liquidated this little double top as well. Let's have a quick look. If it didn't, that's going to be a nice target as well. Which is looking like it didn't. Oh no, look at that. It's a huge amount of liquidity up there. Huge. But yeah, look at that. That's a very. Is someone like some market maker watching the stream or some shit?
Yeah, bro, that was wild, dude.
Literally as I was saying it. Fucking hell. There's what, 25 points, 24 points? Yeah, very nice. Nice level to watch later.
Aaron, the market whisperer.
I should take my own advice. Look at that. Lovely. Yeah, very nice. Nancy Pelosi watching. If we take a look at gold as well, now for the past 1, 2, 3 candles, you haven't grabbed any lows. Like I say, I'm not just going to keep trying to predict that shorts are going to come in, but I personally don't see any upside potential on gold right now. I still think gold's going to push low, but like I say, we're not here to trade off what I think. I have to see price close bearish to be able to react off what I think. It's okay to, draw your analysis and draw what you may think will happen on price, but you don't react off that. You have to react off the closures which form in the favor of your analysis of what you're looking at. It removes trying to predict, and we're only here to react. Like I say, I'm here to trade off what I think. I'll draw what I think, but we can only react off the way it pushes when I've drawn out what I think is going to happen. If I think shorts are going to happen, that's fine. I can think that, but I have to see price close bearish in my favor. I reckon we'll tap 144. Yeah, that's basically 145. Yeah, I think it's possible, man. If you break these 30-minute highs here, then yeah, you probably will see it. If we get like, any closure above this little resistance, yeah, I may look for the same. Pound, yeah, that's what I was gonna do, man. Pound. You just had some pound news come out as well. It's probably had a pretty big move. No, not really actually. When did that pound news come out? Yeah, pound news has come out and not really done anything. We've got one more, if I can say my words, we've got one more minute on here on gold. If we close above here after grabbing previous 5-minute lows, we may continue to see this push higher. I'm a bit scared that it ranges, but yeah, it's possible. I gotta wait for the close anyway. I can keep pushing. Okay. Pound. Ooh, so you grabbed all of our daily lows on pound. I think we were talking about since when pound was all the way back up here, which is pretty nice. So you've grabbed the lows. You're starting to find some support, probably like what here. It's like a pretty clean level. An initial bounce. By the looks of it, there's no real top. Well, what the fuck? Don't do that. What?
Sorry, Aaron. Sorry to interrupt.
That's
I
right,
just
man.
made 800 on your nares.
Ooh, good man.
Worked out perfectly, bro.
Yes, good man. You got the short, yeah?
No, I waited. Like you said, if you look at it,
Oh, is it pushing?
Literally, it's a carbon copy of what you predicted. So I waited. It came down, and I just grabbed.
Has it?
800
Oh
bucks.
man, look at that. There you go. It's already pushed back up. Oh my days.
Yeah.
Fuck, why didn't I take that?
That was crazy the way you called that, dude. It
Holy
was
shit.
incredible.
Yeah, that's some precision right there. 20, what? How many? 20 points down. Re-grab the lows, re-break the highs. 30 push.
Yeah, I'm
back
already
up.
out. It was like the quickest 800 bucks, like 2 minutes.
Good man. That's a lovely. Fuck, I should have taken that with you. That was a lovely call. Good man. Yeah,
Time to
look
go
at
shopping.
that. Yeah, look at that. Wicks out them lows, pushes higher. Look at that. That's what you call fucking precision right there. It's like, what, do you have like zero drawdown on that as well? Instant TP. Fucking take your bank and run.
Yeah, bro. I mean, I don't want to hop on too much, but it was actually
That's good,
incredible
man.
to see how you called that, dude.
Yeah, that was very nice actually. Look at that. Yeah, that was nice. Well, I'm glad you called it, man. Good job. Good job on executing it.
Now we grab the high on gold we were talking about.
Yeah.
Uncreated.
Yeah, also grabbing the highs. Friday bank, yeah, look at that, Friday bank. Look at the 4 hour time frame. I think about taking out for dropping, so pretty close. What do you think? Yeah, I think we may. You on the currency chart or the futures chart? I assume you put it on the currency. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, man. So my main 1945.9. If you're on the currency chart, then you'll be looking here. So my main 4 hour bias on gold is gold to kind of retrace all the way back up into here before seeing a big steep pushback down. I don't think it's going to come in today. But you kind of got this left shoulder head. Yeah, gold could easily retrace back up into here before a next big swing. But I mean, this was also the 4 hour level that I shared in Discord where gold could easily bounce from this left shoulder, this head, this right shoulder. You've already tapped into that, and you're already bouncing up like 100 ticks on gold just off this level. So yeah, any closures above here, and yeah, you could easily see this just continue to push higher. That was I don't know if anyone traded that. When was that? In New York, I took a very small position, but it bounced. It bounced very, very well. It bounced Brosco next week, made their pippies. Yeah, enjoy, man. Appreciate you tuning on. See you next time, man. Yeah, 5 minute needs to show me a little bit more here on gold. Oh, look at that, yeah. So wicked out the lows now, wicked out the double top and back into the range. So yeah, take your profit. Buy the bottom, sell the highs. In and out, 5 minutes, done. Done for the day, literally. In and out. Wicked out the highs, wicked out the lows, wicked the highs, back into the range. Could have even shorted it back down here. But yeah, the reason I had marked out that low was simply because on the hourly, if Nasdaq's going to have a drive up, same as gold. if Nasdaq's going to have a drive up, you're always going to see Nas come down and liquidate some previous hourly lows before a real move. So even here, you have this initial wick, you have a bounce, you come back down, you grab this low, but you never grab this low, so you wick out them lows, and then you have the real push. Same here, you know, we're having this push up. If Nasdaq's going to keep pushing higher, you hadn't liquidated any of the past 1, 2, 3 hourly candles. So that's the reason I marked on that hourly low. Now you've wicked out that low, and yeah, instantly now wicked out the double top as well. So that was the only reason I had marked on that low. But yeah, that's a nice quick 30 points in probably the quickest of time possible. Now you got gold re-breaking 30-minute highs as well. No 5-minute entry though. Fuck yeah, that 5-minute support Alan was just talking about is, yeah, already 15 ticks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
46 is 1946 definitely going to get taken up, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. I just need a fucking, excuse my French, I just need a strong 5. Not even a strong close, but just like a strong close, a sign of volume from this 5. Yeah, I think it is. And the thing is, if we grab this high, I think it's going to continue pushing higher. So I do want to be looking for some longs here, but like the 5 minutes never closed above this resistance. It's struggling.
Yeah.
I should have taken my own Nasdaq signal. Look at that.
The NAS.
But yeah, for you guys who trade NAS in the US session, be watching the Russell as well, because almost every time that the Nasdaq's been choppy this week, Russell's just been so clean. Like even where was it yesterday?
What's the tick point on Russell?
I'm not actually too sure, man. So what's this? Like, this is a 13 point drop. Came out, wicked out the highs. Quite messy on the 5. I think it was clean on the 15. I mean, I would just trade gold, but yeah, if you do want to trade it, came up. Yeah, as soon as that 15 closed bearish, yeah, shorts on the break of that low would have been nice. 5 minute just gone doji here on gold. I'm not interested in lowing personally. But yeah, gold, like even gold yesterday, it's the reason I'm not too focused on NAS, is like even gold here yesterday, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities to bounce this back up for 50 ticks, $5,000, and literally just that little bounce back up into previous 30-minute highs. Same again, break above, come back down and retest these levels, and another bounce right there. Gold has just been bouncing off these levels just so simply. There's 40 ticks right there in that little bounce. That's pretty much your week done. In just a very, very small little bounce. Retest these highs, break above, come back down. Yeah, very nice. I had some. I shared it in Discord. Where's my little buy? I can't remember where it was now. I think it was before. I think I had some buys from here. I took this little move and I actually trailed. I trailed here, and then it came down and ended up ripping like 100 points. So 100 ticks. It came back down. I didn't trade this late into it. It came back down. You know, retested again. There's another 20 tick bounce of that support. Take them, come back down, do the exact same thing again, and then that's when you have the rip. 80 plus ticks. Yeah, gold's just chopping now, guys. I can't take anything from this. As soon as we do get a re-entry of some volume, amazing, I'll take it. Would you say there is a double top on gold in the 1926 on the currency chart? Yes. Oh, you probably said that before it grabbed it, but yeah, you've now just grabbed that. So again, this is why I have to look at the currency chart as well as the futures. So this double top that I'm looking to get grabbed on the futures chart has already been grabbed on the currency. So yeah, you had that was the double top from there. So as soon as you reject from there, that's the double top, which I was saying I don't really want to short because that is very likely to be grabbed. Well, now you've just grabbed it. So yeah, that's that double top. Futures chart may spike up a little bit more, but the currency chart has already grabbed this high. Probably get the move after 6. Yeah, fucking wouldn't surprise me, man, honestly. But this 5 minute is just way too choppy for me to want to trade. I mean, 15 minutes looking clean. I have to stop watching the 5. Which is what could have been talking about. Yeah. Gold pays better than NQ. Do you mean plays or actually pays? I mean, how much you make from it is all dependent on how big of size you trade. If you trade, yeah, if you trade 10 contracts on gold and 10 contracts on NAS, the moves on NAS are going to be way bigger. So you don't want to trade 10 contracts on something like NAS. But yeah, for me, sometimes I think personally gold moves cleaner for me anyway. But yeah, you can definitely make big bucks trading NAS. Big bucks.
You can also lose big bucks.
Yes, you can also lose very big bucks. Very quick as well.
Think positive. Think positive.
No L's here.
Yeah, that's not, yeah.
Just a precaution.
Yeah. Like in golf, you just don't mention shots. Mention shots.
Yeah,
That's it.
it's true. As soon as you start thinking about something, then you'll end up doing whatever you're trying not to think about.
Wait, what was that?
Oh, there you go. There's that push. There's the push. Damn. Cleaner moves, yeah, cleaner moves. I find gold moves cleaner personally. Just respects level as well. I can see it just bouncing nicely. There you go. So you re-broke that 30 high, and then yeah, now you've had a.
Is there an
No, it's not that big of a spike. It's only.
It's 6.
Yeah, it's like 10 ticks. Yeah.
20.
Gold being gold, yeah. Oh, see, this is the thing. Like, there was no reason for it to continue pushing down. You know, you respect it. If you got closed below here, amazing. That's where you want to see it push down. But as long as you respect that level, yeah, gold is just trending. Like, there's no. It's actually a pretty nice move when you look at it. 30 minutes broken above, retest it, just continue pushing higher. And yeah, that's just gold, just breaking above levels, retesting and pushing higher. So you kind of should have been looking for 30s off 30 buys. Well, I mean, I wanted breaks above this current 30 high because it looked like a liquidity grab. You break it, you're going to drive, and there's already your 30 ticks. But the 5 minute just gave no entry. But again, yeah, that's the 5 minute. But it was technically a pretty simple run. Yeah, break above level, retest, push higher.
It went in a blink of an eye.
There you go. Even the Owly actually closed above. Owly closed above, retested, pushing higher. So if we get some, is this 15 just close strong? 15, yeah, so 15 did close strong. I had a buy stop at 1945.5. Hey, one contract got bought. Yeah. See, that's when you know it pushed quick. So you had a buy stop at 45.5. Was that on the break of the previous 30, maybe? Let me see here. 1940. Yeah. So you had a buy stop on the break of the previous 30-minute high, which is perfect. And yeah, man, if you got fucking filled full, quickest 3,000 you would ever make. But this is probably going to be our luck. It's probably going to come in later on, but if you just, as long as you keep an eye on this daily candle on gold, you're still at daily resistance. So at any point in these levels, this could be a whole false move, and PMI could just completely push this back down. $200 in profit right now. Yeah, good man. Good shit. So any bounces off this level, I think it looks like it's just more. So this was the liquidity high. If we get some strong closes, I could just look to keep pushing gold higher. But yeah, it's broke above retest. It's pretty nice. So buy that level until it breaks. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Job done. But yeah, this trend line is also going to be a big level to watch to get grabbed now with PMI later on. You're very likely going to see at some point today gold spike out this entire trend line.
Is 1950 your next target?
Yeah, I think so, man. I was just looking at this high up here. If we get some strong closures, I would like to buy up into this high, yeah, which is basically right at 1950 as well. So if we let's just adjust this to 1950, yeah, pretty easily. I think you're going to see this quite easily. If we can get in this now, if the risk order makes sense, yeah.
If this starts to consolidate, I'll just wait for a liquidity grab and I might go long.
Yeah, I think it makes sense, man.
Because it's not even 8:30 yet, right?
Do you look at book map for liquidity setting? Yeah, we've been looking at it a little bit more. I haven't been able to fucking get it set up. It's been an absolute mission. It's fucking quite frustrating, to be honest. But yeah, I watched one of the streams. I don't have it up right now, but yeah, someone on YouTube streams it, and yeah, it's good to look at it. I think it works better for stuff like Nasdaq, Russell, stuff like that. Yeah, it also can be nice for gold.
Can't see this just being a wick on the 30.
No, I'd be surprised, man. I'd be surprised. I think you'd at least, if you are going to drive down from these regions, you'll at least grab it one more time.
Yeah.
I think, man. Yeah, it's okay to get reference, confluence of price action. Yeah, definitely, yeah. It's good. It's good to look at. It can be useful for sure.
But the Russell been moving this morning.
Yeah, is it? Yeah, is it pushing higher as well? Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Boom.
Yeah, huge liquidity grab as well. Look at that. Big liquidity grab. Is that on the 30?
Monster.
Yeah, look at that. Monstrous, yeah. Anyone who's been long from here has got whipped out aggressively.
But on the 5, I got a level at 1800.
1800.
And 1804 on the 5.
Yeah.
In the Russell.
Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. 1800, yeah, nice. How did it close on the daily?
Nearly tapped.
Oh yeah, fucking hell, Russell's heavily bearish. You see that keep flipping down today, you're going to see a pretty big move there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any retracements? Into like anywhere in here? Yeah, you can really see it continue pushing. So are you primarily looking for liquidity flips? Yeah, pretty much. I would have loved to be buying up into this liquidity grab here, but the 5 minute just gave me no reason to enter this, unfortunately. If I was watching it just off the 15, yeah, 15 was way nicer. 5 was just messy today. Like you see how, like these 5 minute candles here prior to this push were closing with what, like less than a tick of a body, less than what, just about 2 ticks in that body. So there was 0 volume. But yeah, pretty much. Again, 30 was also cleaner. Broke above, retested. If you re-break this 30-minute high, you're going to see a drive. And yeah, that's what it did. So yeah, I would have loved to have bought up into this liquidity. But it's okay. We now that we are grabbing these highs, if you start to flip out of here, then amazing. Look at this big 15 wick now. If you re-break this 5-minute high, you can see a nice little scalp. But this 15 is looking, 15 also has no bottom wick even on the currency chart here. So you've wicked out these highs, which was our next target, and instantly selling off there as well. So even if you short from there, you already got what, almost 10 ticks in profit. So because there's no bottom wick on any of these 15-minute candles, I have to wait for that to be formed. If it gets formed in this 5-minute, then this is going to be a potentially huge stop hunt. Like I say, overall on gold, I think you're going to see this entire move retrace today, either before or at PMI. So the more you kind of stop hunt before that, the more likely you are to see a potential push. There's a lot of trendline levels to come and grab as well. If you keep breaking higher, this is going to be the next high, 1950 on the futures chart.
Yeah, I'll be right for now.
Yeah, I think that's pretty nice, man. Keep pushing up before that news.
Yeah. I won't be on for yours.
No, me neither, man. I don't think I will. Well, maybe.
I took yesterday and the day before off.
Good man. Yeah, I didn't really. Yeah, I didn't really trade yesterday, but gold had some fucking lovely moves yesterday.
Come on, Gold. You attend it.
Come on, Goldie.
Come on, Gold.
Grab the previous 5-minute low and then re-break the high. You still could see another push. Stop loss based off this level here, I'd say. Yeah, like that. Looks pretty nice.
Let me see. Let me put you big screen.
I'm on a big screen. Yeah, I've just seen this. This is going to be the next level.
Yeah.
If you re-break this current 5, you may still push up.
Orange on the big screen, yeah.
Good man. Big screen. So if this 5-minute re-breaks its own high, you may see a push back up into previous 5-minute highs, or like this. For what? 10? Because you just grabbed previous 5-minute low here.
Yeah, right. On both currency and futures.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm
quite
watching.
similar at the moment. Which is also very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. And as soon as you grab the highs, you're going to be BE.
You got your eggs up. Is it that cold outside? Mixes with the exit. Don't follow Aaron on social media. You'll see beach life every day.
No, not today actually. It's actually raining right now, believe it or not.
Is it?
First day of the year.
Sunny but cold, yeah.
First day since I've had a bit of rain.
In the winter, though. In the winter, summer, isn't it?
Yeah, it's becoming summer with you now, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Yeah. We're going into summer. It's like
Yeah, so it's Santa Claus wears flip-flops and shorts to deliver over.
yeah. He loves it. Little.
You don't have Sunday like Christmas dinner, they're barbecues.
Yeah. It's actually going to be. It's last year it was my first year being here for Christmas, and it was very strange being in a hot country for Christmas.
Yeah, see?
It was kind of nicer though, but yeah.
No, it's not Christmas about Sunday,
Because like
So,
even,
no in Australia?
no.
Okay.
but it's like it's
Friday.
it's not as if like the UK's like snowing. The UK's just fucking wet and cold. So it's not as if
Yeah,
it's like
it's
any
just like
better. Yeah, if it was snowing, yeah, Christmas in the snow would be amazing. But in the UK, it's just pissing down.
Yeah. Yeah. Aaron's also like you with spiders.
Yeah, I absolutely hate spiders.
Man was wild.
Oh man, the worst. The worst.
Gonna send you a video as well of a spider. Of this person caught the spider in his big glass, and as she caught it,
The babies?
her sack burst,
Yeah.
and all these babies, you know.
I've seen that. Fucking horrible. Because you get, I mean, I haven't seen a whole lot of spiders, but in the Sunshine Coast, you get a lot of snakes. There's a lot of snakes.
Oh, fuck that.
if you go on Instagram, what's it called?
Oh,
Yeah, Sunshine Coast snake catchers. So these are dudes that literally go around my area catching snakes like every day. Yeah, you get some some pretty deadly snakes, which is always fun.
oh,
Being a snake in our garden.
that time when we were all swimming in Thailand, and all of you just looked at me and pointed, and I was like, oh shit. What the snake?
Looking forward to seeing snakes on there. Yeah. Don't you get those huge huntsman spiders? No, I've only ever seen one, but it wasn't like huge. It was like no different to a UK spider, really, to be honest. A little bit bigger, but yeah, no, nothing really more. We had a massive snake in our garden one time.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I don't really mind snakes though.
So Sammy was like, don't worry, I got it down.
Is that a toy? Should I go play with that?
Yeah, I got this covered.
So 30's just closed bullish. A big wick, but it's still closed bullish.
Sammy probably plays with them.
He would, man. Yeah, he would. He would have no idea. He'd go try and play with it, and before you know it, he's fucking strangled. You know, it wasn't a deadly one to humans, even though some are. But yeah, it would have fucking. He'd be like, "What's going on? I thought we were playing, mate." He's absolutely lashing it down here right now.
Otherwise, it's been an absolute storm. I'll send you vids and pics. It's been bad.
I swear, even UK summer this year was extremely bad compared to normal. I mean, it's always not great, but I feel like everyone I spoke to was like UK has had the worst summer this year.
It's a shit.
Ooh,
Honestly, it's just awful.
You may see a flip on this current 30 on the pound futures here. No, let me see.
I'm seeing a flip on the gold.
Yeah, possibly. Oh shit, full on flooding. Wow.
That's a golf course.
Oh wow, holy shit. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Fuck that, that's crazy.
I have got a little level on gold on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
1947 on the futures.
Well, let's have a look. Let's have a wee look. Whereabouts, sorry? 1946.
1947 on the futures on the 1 minute.
47, yeah, 1947. Yeah, nice level.
I respected it very nicely.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult with gold now because you've had such a pump. It's going to fucking need to create more structure.
Yeah.
I think you're going to come and regrab the previous 15-minute lows before any signs of retracement, which could be a potential short opportunity.
What I do like though is the futures on currency charts are quite similar right now.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh. 1 minute and 5 minutes. It comes down. I got like a 5 pip target though, that's the issue.
Yeah, that's the thing. The ranges have to be worth it. I mean, ranges to go short now is very, very tight. I think in order to go short on gold, you've got to see closures back below here. Let me have a look. Yeah, I honestly think with PMI you could see this entire move retraced. Yeah, a little trend line there as well. Yeah. Yeah, I like that, man. 5 minutes just closed bullish.
Yeah. Our ruble has moved this morning. Jesus.
What's moved, sorry?
Is it the Russell, sorry?
Yeah. Yeah, above that channel now. Yeah, so that's a nice one actually, Scott. You had so you had it like, it's probably reacting to that as support pretty well now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You had it like there. Resistance break above support. Yeah, it may spike up into back up into previous. This what your video was about yesterday on gold just happened on gold. Yeah, it happened very, very well, man. It happened very well. Happens multiple times every single day, man. Multiple times. Every single day. Like I say, catching like, man, 10 ticks on gold a day is so simple. If you can wait for the good setups and trade like the bounces of levels, it's very simple. Very, very simple. You just got to execute. But if you keep hesitating and waiting for too much, yeah, you won't get it. Good morning, Ben Naylor in the chat. What's going on, man? Ben's in the chat. Better get that little like in there, man. See, this potential 30 flip on pound futures is going to be nice, but if this 30 closes bullish, this Auli's going to be leaving a wick. See? But if the 30 does close bearish, you may see a nice drive, but if it doesn't, so be it. So yeah, you got gold bouncing, grab previous low, now bouncing higher. I don't know if anyone took it, but you got what? Very tight little quick 8 ticks, make back any losses in 5 minutes right there. 3-pin reversal. Yeah. Very nice, man. Little morning star there as well. Yeah, very nice. I like that. Yeah, no volume. Yeah, very, very little. Bounced, came back down, grabbed previous 5. Yeah, so even there, like from there to there, even though there's like literally 0 volume, you've almost got what, 9 ticks. So if you took like -4 ticks before, you've made it right back there, and a very, very simple play. A very simple play. Thanks, mate. A lot from you. Yeah, good to hear, man. Good to hear. It's just from showing up on the streams and watching the videos, James. So good job, man. Good job. How many got to this 32 minutes? Yeah. I'd be surprised if we see another play here on gold. Unfortunately, I will be surprised. Let me just see the levels for later on. So this is the kind of range we're playing with on gold right now. But now you're in the middle of the range. So do you want to be trading in the middle of the range? Not really. Potential sells on gold completely back down into daily lows. Maybe one back up at these highs. And maybe longs only if you come back down into here, but you kind of already broke above, retest and push higher. So as long as you're in the middle of this range on gold, yeah, you could easily just do something like this for the next next hour or so. Unfortunately, that was a nice little drive this morning, but it wasn't. I say nice drive. It wasn't a nice drive, but that was the drive this morning. Asia was probably cleaner today.
I like that channel.
Yeah, it's clean, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. That's Scott's channel. This low here is also going to be a liquidity low today. Like I say, you can see this whole entire move ran with this PMI later on. The reason this is a liquidity low, before this push up, it never got grabbed. There's going to be sellers sitting below here, which means there's going to be levels down here to come and grab. From where you are right now, you know, back down into this low is like 50 ticks. So like before you kind of had this push up, you got this double bottom, you have that initial wick, grab the lows, push up. Here you push down, didn't grab any lows, pushed higher, making this now a level to watch for. So if you watch this on your charts, like all the levels this week, will be playing out almost perfectly. This level here and this trend line, the probability of these getting grabbed is very high. I'll remove this one. There's some pretty nice levels. Like I say, you have that PMI, which isn't until what was it? Just the New York Open, I think. Let me see. PMI. Yeah, 15 minutes into the New York Open, you got PMI today.
Okay.
So this trend line's going to get grabbed, and these lows down here are going to get grabbed. And who knows, gold could easily flip back down and come create more of a bottom wick on this daily, which is all the way back down here. So you have some very, very big levels to watch.
It would be huge.
Yeah, huge, man. You'd easily see it come in. Same as yesterday. Had all these levels drawn on, highs all got grabbed, and all entire move played out.
I'd love to target that wick.
Yeah, me too.
This 5 minute closes of 47.5.
Yeah.
That's my thoughts. I do want to target that wick.
Let me show this in. Let me share this in Discord. Why is Discord not open?
You working on the weekend?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably work on try to get a new video out or something, man. Yeah, got on that grind. I got I'm driving Kate into the city tomorrow, so yeah, I'll probably spend the day in a little co-work and spot work on some stuff, man.
Nice.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm sleeping in tonight after work, yeah.
Back to the grind.
Yeah. Yeah, so on Sunday, well, it'll be child free as well, so we'll see
Nice.
if we can do anything. Any more thoughts on the Tesla?
Yeah, we're trying to get it sorted, man. We're just fucking trying to sell our cars. Oh. Fucking spilled my water everywhere. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, selling our cars has just fucking been like literally impossible, man.
Really?
Yeah, I literally had like, oh no, zero interest in our cars. So I'm probably gonna have to do it through like a dealer or something if we do it. Fucking no one wants to spend any money at the minute because everything's so fucking expensive.
Where is that?
Yeah, we're trying to get it sorted. Yeah, we need it because the amount of money we're spending, like what, I don't know, like $400 a week on petrol.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy. It's like stupid money. I can go fucking finance a fucking Lamborghini for that.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Really?
Go fucking
Yeah.
finance an Audi R8.
I wouldn't be fine for long.
No, honestly, no, it's crazy. It's a stupid amount of money.
How much of a range does a Tesla have?
It's pretty far. Like it would do where we live to Brisbane quite a few times, and
Oh, okay.
yeah, you just like kind of you probably want to charge it every night just to be safe.
Is I was talking to Scotty, and there's ports over here, charging ports
Yeah.
that you can charge it for free.
Oh, you can charge it for free. That's very good. I didn't know that.
Yeah, over here, yeah.
Yeah, it's very good.
So I don't know if it's the same in Oz.
I don't know if it's for free. It would be very good if
He
it
has
is.
got a charging port at home.
Oh really?
He just drives it. No, he just drives it to his local town
Yeah.
where he got that business, and so he drives it there, and he charges it while he's at work.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's decent, man. It's so good. Let me come across this clown. Who's this? Who's this clown? Oh, fucking hell, here we go.
Turn my £50 into 5,000. Oh God.
Yeah, go on, Goldie, give us something, man. I think we're gonna get it though. How's the 15? 15 just
Yeah.
it's kind of closed.
Bullish.
What car is it? It's like a BMW X6 Sport. So it fucking, well, I mean, it drinks petrol, but it's like 2 hours each way. So yeah, it's a pretty fucking big drive. Make sure you don't park them on a hill without brakes checked, or leave them in dodgy residential. Yeah, for sure, man. Sorry, man.
Like a 3 litre, man.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, V8. Fucking not a practical car for driving long distance. It's a great car, but it's not practical for driving long distance. Do you trade London more or New York more? London more, man. London's my go-to. Well, usually London just 7 till 9 a.m, but recently, kind of a little bit extra, to be honest. I mean, like times like this right now, it's like it's not even any point watching it. Like when it's like this, you pretty much need like 30-minute price action. So if I wasn't even on stream right now, I wouldn't even be looking at the charts. I'd wait for the next 30 to hourly close, and just, you know, if it moves nice, fire it back up, take a trade. Yeah, no, I don't really. I mean, I've traded like a little bit of pre-New York. I took a little pre-New York trade last night. But anything after New York Open, nah, not for me.
Yeah.
London and pre.
He trades all day.
How long you got 11 minutes to this pound?
Yeah. I'm really shaking. I guess I really still could close bullish.
Yeah. Yeah, it could, yeah, it really could. Hourly, yeah, see. Yeah, the thing is, even if the hourly does close above here, like above this support, it's going to be the first time it's closed above. Yeah, and even if it leaves this big wick, you could then see the next hourly come back down, and then boom. So.
Yeah. Yeah, levels up.
Yeah, see it come back down, and then boom.
The 46 level is important.
Yeah, I think so, man. I think you could probably see 1950 probably tapped pretty comfortably. Pretty comfortably.
There's a triple top on the 1 minute on the currency.
Yeah, I see that. Buy stop this current 5. Oh. Well, the 15's closed quite nice now, so you probably see a wick fill here. You probably see.
So I want to target.
Here. You'd want to see it dip down a little bit more, though. Give a retracement into, maybe not this one now, but retracement into previous 15 low, and then you could see buys back up into this 15-minute high, which would be anywhere from these regions 30 ticks pretty easily.
Yeah.
I only got 10 more minutes here. I don't think we'll see a trade in the next 10 minutes, unfortunately.
And the bull flag is for forming.
Yeah, it looks like it's due a little
Little
correction. No, it's nice to see it though, just for breakouts. It's nice to have that extra confluence.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, we had a good trade today, good management. Haven't got a re-entry just yet, it could come at any point though. Yeah, great management today. Look, what, minus 1 pip, basically break even. Make back 1 pip in 1 second, if I really wanted to.
I'm not going to go off this 1 minute flip. It's not ready yet.
How's this hourly looking on pound? So gold's still pumping. Probably just come all the way up to the range. Hourly on the pound. Yeah, still closing below here on the pound. If you can see this, yeah, if you see this pound re-break this low, you may see this push all the way back down into here.
Futures is very different than the currency on gold. Like, I mean, it broke the highs like 5 to 10 pips. Futures is still there.
Yeah, it does that sometimes. There's some manipulation on Forex. Forex manipulation.
Yeah, future isn't even moving.
Yeah, future's still respecting previous. So you could buy into that little pump.
I'm going to entry there. I just thought it'd come down a bit more.
Yeah, no bottom wick on the 5, yeah. It's too overextended to buy it now for me personally. Unless you, the thing is, unless you buy it now, but your stops are going to have to be like pretty wide. Because at any point you get a bottom wick back into these levels before pushing higher.
That's how you're there. Eight pips.
Yeah, just solid. Nice, yeah. Yeah, that's a nice flip actually. You did get a bottom wick there as well.
Yeah,
Would you be break even?
yeah.
Yeah, I like that man. I like that. I
I'm
like
just
that.
concerned about the downside.
So what did you have? Yeah, so you buy here. What would you have already hit? Yeah, 8 would be a break even. See if it can. You'll probably see it spike up more as well, yeah.
Yeah. I really do think it's going to go to 1950.
Oh yeah, I think it easily hit that now. Any retracements on gold, you probably won't get it all the way back down into here now. But any retracements even into maybe any bottom wick in there, you're going to see gold fulfill this range pretty easily. Any pullbacks to there, you're going to see a 30 pip range. Yeah, you probably see that pretty easily.
It's going to pull back. Take all of them. Then on to break even. Give me an entry, I'll go on.
Yeah. So you have 5 minutes till 5 minutes till the hourly. If the next hourly opens and instantly pushes down, as long as you close above here, if the next hourly instantly pushes down, you could easily just mirror something like this. Close above, respect it, wick the highs. What's
I'm
that?
fine with that.
10 ticks easily. You know, easy to see it run 25. Yeah. Exactly the same here. Broke above, bottom wick, keep pushing. Broke
Yeah,
above,
I'm looking at
retested.
control.
Even on these little bounces, there's 20 ticks, even before it broke. 20 ticks bounce, minimum. And if you take 10 off the bounce to that level, it's going to be a pretty easy trade.
I don't want to close it below that level you have there though.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, you want to see it. Yeah, you want to see it close above. If you don't close above, then you may just continue to play around.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of liquidity today. It's going to get grabbed on gold. Look at all of these hourly lows. All of these are going to get grabbed, which is all the way back down here. Yeah, that probably won't come until New York session and PMI. But yeah, gold could completely retrace this entire move.
I'll be off there, but I'm going to stay on for 15-minute draws on what it does now.
Yeah.
See and grab something.
Yeah, if you get the hourly close above bottom wick, boom. Any rejections on the 5?
It would be nice.
Time to 6 minutes. Yes, hourly is booming. But yeah, if you look at it on the hourly, and this is like I say, this is why gold can be so fucking simple sometimes. Resistance, break above, support. Like there. Fuck at the 5 minute noise. There's already a 40 tick bounce. Crazy. So what time was that? I came. Where was that? At level. Yeah, there. Yeah, out 15 close back above. Wick back down. Boom. Boom. Yeah, so if you do get if you get a little bottom wick here, you get some longs. Are you watching? Yeah, probably this support here, a big level there, that resistance. So from here to here, it's 17 ticks. It's quite a tight range, but you know it may get filled pretty easily. Close above bottom wick, you filled it there pretty easily even before you broke it. You wicked it back again, broke above, retest, and then any closures above there, push higher, and then as soon as you get into PMI territory, possible daily flip on gold. Daily flipperoonie.
We're going half rest as well.
Yeah. So I'm probably
Yeah,
going
1
to
minute.
set an alert down here. Actually, no, I'm going to set alert below previous 15-minute alerts. I think that's nice. I mean, if the next hourly opens and instantly pushes up and grabs this little double top, then you also do have potential of this resistance before you grab it. Potential retracements back down into even previous 15-minute lows is like 30 ticks, which is also pretty big. I don't understand how you're trading. Go on the channel, man. There's a full strategy on how to trade gold. There's loads of videos on my channel how to trade gold. But there's a gold day trading strategy, man. Plenty of vids to watch. It's just liquidity and support and resistance levels.
No beans.
Yeah, and chuck a few of them in as well.
We still have one of those right now.
Auli's probably going to close above here. Not the best close above the support, but it's still closing above. Here you go, closure above. 5 minutes goes bearish, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
If you can see it, yeah, if you can see it wick into 50-minute lows, you may see it push up. I'm not going to watch it anymore. It's too overextended for me. You'll probably just see it potentially range before PMI. Pound's looking nicer, to be honest. If you get the pound shorts, you'll be break even as soon as you kind of grab these lows here. But if you close below them lows on the pound futures, then that low is also going to be nice. But if you do get the short on this flip, probably want to be break even around that point. My keyboard feels weird now. But yeah, that's it for me for London, guys. I'm going to wait for more price action and probably see it maybe closer to New York Open. But yeah, be watching all of these levels because all of these can be grabbed. But I'm personally going to leave it for like at least next 30 or next at least 15-minute closures to kind of see how you're going to go. But any retracements of these 50-minute lows, and you can see this hourly flip bullish. Even if you look for buy stops on this current hourly on gold, as soon as it flips bullish, you may get 15 plus ticks, pretty nice. You're already coming into my alert. So now that alert's about to go off, I'm going to set an alert probably about here when it starts to get some rejection, and then you can look to fire it up and play it back up into the highs. But yeah, Zoom guys, I'll be active in Discord for the next few hours. I got to work on a few more things from marketing side, so I'll still be here, and we'll see if anything shapes up, and we'll see if we get a little bit more structure to draw on some more levels and potentially more flips on gold. If gold can grab this low, you also have a very clean double top here as well, as long as it hasn't been grabbing the currency, which I actually think it might have. Pushing back up into these levels once you grab these 15-minute lows is also going to be a nice bet. But yeah, I'll chat to you guys in Discord anyway. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, YouTube fam, we're gonna wrap up there. We had one little trade today. Took the break even very, very well, managed perfectly. I'll kind of recap it into a reel at some point as well. But I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Remember, you have PMI tonight, which is going to be very, very big for the US dollar, and you could see this entire move completely retraced. You guys have all my liquidity levels here on gold, as always. So once you do get their breakouts, trade into that liquidity, and this could be a huge top wick on gold on the daily, and you can see this whole move potentially reversed, or at least to come and grab the intraday level. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Hope you took some value from today's trade. and I'll see you guys next week, and we'll do it all over again. So trade safe, be smart. It's Friday. Don't force anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.